Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more long to short hair transformations. Here we see someone with this beautiful copper colored hair. She's got a natural curly texture to her strands, and the stylist does a beautiful pixie cut here. This is such a cute style. She does have the bangs going here in the front. Very nice. Really cute hair idea if you do have some natural curly strands. Very nice. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we get a nice 360 view of this cut. She has a tapered nape area going there in the back, really adding some stylish elements even more to this chic little style. Next up, we see someone with blonde hair just past her shoulders. She has the grown out roots here. Now, the exposed root trend is actually very popular, believe it or not. So if you do have color and you just kind of want to stretch your sessions out, have no fear because the grown out root trend is definitely in full swing. So the stylist cuts the hair into a chic little bob haircut. Beautiful sheen to the hair. Oh, look at all that body and movement. So pretty. And then we see someone with a bob. Oh, and she switches it up with a pixie. Now, what I really like about this transformation is that her hair seems kind of dull and thin to start off with, and her hair appears so much thicker, so much fuller with this pixie cut. She has the bangs going here in the front, a lot of choppy texture throughout. And that really gave the hair a nice little thicker appearance. Loving this hair change. And then we see someone rocking out some ginger colored hair. Hair ends just above the shoulders. Whoa. Beautiful pixie makeover. Wow, I am loving the shape of this. She has so much body, so much fullness, gorgeous chunky highlights with the brown mixed with the blonde coloring. This is absolutely stunning. Beautiful makeover. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out this last hair transformation.